Hi, this is Mindy, and I want to talk to you about what I see online for Reading Plus. It looks like Cian was on and did two of the eye balance, the eye exercise activities, and he has improved on his words per minute. Now he's at 145. At the beginning of the year, he was at 110, so this is really good. I also notice he is cranking through and getting a lot of the vocabulary activities done. This is at a really high level, L. That is considered 12th grade level, so it's really high, really above where he's at. I don't think he needs to do 3 a week, so I changed the setting to only being 1. And finally, he did get on and do a C reader. This is one of the stories, and I love to see that he got it at 88%. This is really, really good. He even used the reread button to help him with his comprehension. His reading rate was 212. Just let me know if he says it was too slow, but I think this was a really good rate. It took him 20 minutes to do all of the questions and reading, and I think that's just fine. So as long as I keep seeing scores like this, I think we're at a good spot. Let me know if you have any questions.